Hi friends, it's Miss Audrey. Let's learn some words today. Our first word is all done. When you are all done with your food, that's how you tell Mama and Dada you're all done. Can you do that? Take out your hands. All done. Good job. Okay, our next word is milk. That's right, milk. You sign milk like this. Milk. I want my milk. Can I have some milk? Can you do that? Good job. I'm so proud of you. Milk.
Can you find the yellow sun? Wow, good job. You found the yellow sun.
Okay, our next word is more. I want more. More. I want more food. Good job. Can you do this? More. I want more milk. That's right. I want more milk. Good job. Our next word is thank you. Ziggy. We're gonna need Ziggy's help for this one. Ziggy, can you help us sign the word thank you?
Yeah, I can.
Good, how can you do it? How do we do it? Wow, you take your hand like this and put it to your chest and say, thank you. Good job. Thank you. Can you do it? Wow, we're so proud of you. Thank you. Thank you, Ziggy, for helping us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye. Let's do a pattern. We are going to use dogs and
Cats.
cats. Let's do it. Dog, dog, cat. Dog, dog, cat. What's next? That's right. Dog, dog. Yay! Okay, friends, our next word is water. Water. You take your 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and you sign water. Water. I want more water. Good job. I'm so proud of you.